Hey guys, this is Jom from Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to learn how you can plan a staircase and I will show you how to do that in the AutoCAD. So guys, if you are willing to plan a staircase on the paper, then that is quite simple and I have already made a lot of videos on how to do that. If you want to learn that, then you can simply visit the Civil Raja website for that and you can simply learn that. But if you are using the AutoCAD, then that planning got simpler. How to do so? I am just going to share my screen and I will show you all the details for that. But before that, I have just a simple request to just go ahead, like this video. And if you are done with the video, not now, if you are done with the video and you like that, even up to that, then you can also share it with your friends and colleagues. And also, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe it. So, guys, now I'm going to share my screen and I will show you how I can simply just plan a AutoCAD like a staircase in the AutoCAD. So, guys, this is the screen, and you can see over here that all I have to do is to simply take up the measurement from here. Okay, so first thing is take the measurement. Okay, I'm just going to measure the place where I want to create the staircase, and once the measurement is done, I will simply draw the line with exactly that much measurement. Okay, and then I will draw another line of 3 feet 3 inches, because that is the standard height of the standard length of the thread. Okay, now you can see the width of the thread is 10 inches, so I will just give them multiple options to that, and I can create the number of steps over there, and where I will just find it. Okay, this much offset, this much of the number of the steps is good enough for this going, and then I have to just come up for like landing. Then I will just calculate the space, then that space should be more than what you have provided as a length of the thread. Okay, and at least it should be the equal to that much. Okay, so I have taken up a trade of 3 feet 3 inches, and you can see I am providing the landing of 3 feet 5 inches, which is more than 3 feet 3 inches. So that is good enough. But if I want to just go ahead and want to just modify it, and I want to just reduce the size of the landing, then like I can go for least of 3 feet 3 inches if my length of the thread is that much. Okay, now you can see I have created the number of the steps according to my requirement. So if it is a 10-feet house and you are going for a riser height of 6 inches, then you will go for 20 steps. If it is a 10 feet 6 inches house, then you have to go for 21 steps. Okay, now I'm just making a few lines hidden over here. Then that line is hidden for the second going. Okay, and I have planned a L-shaped like a staircase over here, because that was the requirement. And then I will simply create some offsets over here so that I can uh, create a 10 inches wall around my staircase. Now if once everything is done, I have to make it in a block. What will happen if I am giving making it a block? I can simply place it anywhere I want. I can give it a rotation anywhere I want. I do not need to just bring on each and every line over there. So making like any particular object that you want to move, like at a lot of times, you have to just simply do one thing. You have to simply create it in a block. Okay, that is the most important trick, guys. Okay, so now you can see I have already completed my planning of the staircase and I have already placed it. And if I want to take it to any other place, then I can just use my insert command. Also I can also make a copy of it and I can take it anywhere I want. Okay, so guys, this was the quickest way to create the staircase in AutoCAD, and you can simply plan it. All you have to do is to simply calculate the width of the riser, and standard is 10 inches. The standard length of the riser is 3 feet 3 inches, but you can go for a minimum of 3 feet also. And in some congested areas, you can also go for 2 feet 6 inches, but that should be avoided. The standard one is 3 feet. Okay, now the standard width of the riser, sorry, the height of the riser should be 6 inches. But if you have to reduce the number of the steps, then you can also go for 7 inches riser. Okay, that is also in practice, but the standard is 6 inches. But you will find a lot of architects to go for the staircase with 7 inches riser. That is not comfortable for the old aged people, but you can also go for that if you have the space restrictions. If you want to learn the details of how to do the planning, then you can simply join my a professional batch, and I am opening the professional batch of building planning every month. Okay, so you can just give me a call on 8433 2488864. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. If you are like finding it hard to remember the number, then you can also find it in the description, guys. And if you have liked the video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to Civil Raja if you haven't subscribed it. And if you have already subscribed it, then guys, thank you for showing your love. And I am going to make a lot of videos like this in my upcoming sessions, so stay tuned to it, and also press the bell icon so that you can be informed whenever I am uploading a new video. Thank you, guys.